Welcome to EPB Fi TV. This video will acclimate you to the remote control functions of your Amazon Fire Stick 4K streaming device. First, let's look at the buttons on the remote. There's a power button that controls both your TV and Amazon Fire Stick 4K. An LED light that illuminates when buttons are pushed. A microphone for using voice commands. A voice control button for using voice commands. A navigation ring that helps you control functionality within menus and guides with up, down, right, and left buttons. A round select button to OK a desired command. A back button that returns to previously viewed screens. A home button that takes you back to the home screen of the Amazon Fire Stick 4K menu that includes all of your apps. A menu button that takes you directly to your Fi TV menu. A rewind button for rewinding a program. A play-pause button to start and stop a program, a fast-forward button to advance a program, a volume control that automatically controls your TV unless a separate audio sound system is used, and a mute button to pause sound. Okay, let's start using the remote. First, click the menu button to get to the main menu. Then, use the select button to access the Fi TV guide, and the navigation ring to click up and down the channel listing. Click right to see upcoming shows on a channel, and left to go back to current show airing. Now click the select button. This will reveal the options to play, record, or see program information. Let's click the select button again to watch. If you want to use Fi TV's restart feature to start the show over from the beginning, simply click the select button again. Use the plus and minus button to raise or lower the volume on your TV. Use the rewind button to rewind the show. Then the fast forward button to jump ahead in the show. Now, while you're watching that show, click up or down on the navigation ring to change channels without using the guide. Now let's say we want to return to the show or channel we were watching before this one. Click the back button to return to the main menu. While the word guide is highlighted, click the down function on the navigation ring to see the last several channels you were watching. Now click the back button twice, and the select button to return to the guide. While you are on a particular channel, click the left button to access Fi TV's replay function and filters. You can replay shows up to 3 days after they air and filter live and upcoming shows by sports, news, movies, and kids. There are 2 ways to use the remote to search for shows and movies. The first way is to search using the keyboard function. Click right in the navigation ring to scroll over to the search magnifying glass. Click the select button to bring up the keyboard function to search by title. Use the up, down, right, and left buttons on the navigation ring to find each letter, and the select button when you find each letter. When finished, use the select button to click the next field to search for that show. There's also a voice search feature. To use it, click and hold the voice button and speak the title into the microphone. This will search for that title on Fi TV. We're always here to help. Call 423-648-1372 anytime, day or night.